I want to improve my skills in my work field, learn about technological improvements while practicing the Slovenian language.
I'm hoping that my work here can help contribute to combating environmental injustices.
I'm thankful for ASEF giving me my first opportunity to work in the career of my dreams of cancer research.
I was interested to learn about the innovative research taking place at the Institute.
Have the opportunity to actually get relevant work in my field as a biology student.
Podeluje fizioterapeut v različnih oddelkih.
I'm using the research I'm completing this summer for my senior thesis.
To learn more about the beehive panels.
Fresh coffee are these sweet, tasty, fluffy treats, and I would certainly recommend anyone who visits Slovenia to try them.
My grandma always cooked for us too, so I'm very excited to try the real Slovenian food and to know if we made it well.
I'm excited to learn more about traditional dance and music, and hopefully see a performance during my time here.
Hi, I'm Miji von Mertes-Sestrich, and I'm from San Francisco.
Hi, I'm Matthias Jaschako, and I'm from Argentina.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Bomberger, and I'm from Cleveland, Ohio.
I'm Daniel Lever from Argentina.
Hi, I'm Amalia Blood, and I'm from Cleveland, Ohio.
I grew up in Slovenia, and I have very fond memories of Slovenia, and it's really nice to get to see my family again.
Being able to connect to my grandparents' roots and my roots, it's been amazing, an amazing opportunity.
My great-grandfather, Leopold Clemens, was born here in Chernomel, Bela Krajina. He left looking for a better life, but he could not return to his town ever again. So this is a way to honor him.
And Slovenian dance was one way that I kept in touch with my roots.
Štipendija je odlična priložnost za vrnitev v deželo mojih starih staršev. Mislim, da je zelo pomembno spoznati, od kjer prihajajo moje korenine.
And really call myself a true Slovenian, or as true as you can get without climbing Triglav, of course.
This scholarship opportunity will allow me to build long-lasting friendships with my work colleagues and reunite with them in the future to collaborate on certain research projects and ideas.
This scholarship has allowed me to get experience in both my academic background and as well as my professional goals of actually wanting to open a lab in a few years.
An opportunity to discover other ways of living across the world and amplify my intellectual horizons.
Connections while here, whether they have been professional for cancer research, academic, and even just people who share the same pride for their heritage as myself.
Reconnecting with my family has been absolutely amazing. And meeting young people my age to foster a Slovenian community I can continue to be a part of when I return to the US has been awesome.
I'm so grateful for this experience and really feel more connected to my heritage than ever.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, being able to do what I love while exploring my Slovenian heritage.
Štipendija mi je omogočila povezavo s Slovenijo z različnih vidikov, kot so delovni, čustveni in kulturni.